Hey guys, Colin Smith here from Photoshop Cafe, and right now I'm at the beach and I've just finished flying my DJI Mavic 2 Pro. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload some of this footage, but before I go home I want to actually share some photos or some video on social media. So I'm going to grab my DJI COPILOT by LaCie, and what I'm going to do is just pull the card out of here. I'm going to pop it into the COPILOT right here. And all I got to do now is just push it once to make sure it's on, and it says it wants to copy, and then I just click, and then it's going to back up all my footage onto here. Now I can put another card in and I can continue flying while this is backing up, or I can drop this in my bag. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to connect this to my mobile phone, and I'm going to show you guys how I can work on it right here at the beach. I've got an iPhone 10 here, and I can actually just pull out the lightning cable, and by the way, it comes with different types of cables. Check out my review on this where you can see everything it comes with. I'm going to connect it into the bottom of my phone here, and now just launch the Boss app, and then we can go in and do our edits right here on location. Alright, so here we are inside the Boss app, and you can see right now we're looking inside the COPILOT, and then we're just looking at the backup right there. Those are the files that we uploaded. And so we can just look at them different ways. We can click on list view, makes it a little bit easier to scrub through them. Just drag your finger down to move through the different clips, and we can see we've got photos and videos on there. Let's go back to grid view, and if we just push on the side, it gives us full screen. And why don't we play a clip? Let's just tap on the clip to play it, and we can see right now we're playing 4K footage nice and smoothly on my phone. And because it's quite loud here at the beach, I'm recording this section in the studio, so it's a little quiet. It makes it easier for you to follow along with the tutorial. This time we want to save it to the camera roll, so we're just going to click, and we're going to choose copy. And what we're going to do is just choose the iPhone, and we're going to choose the camera roll. And we see our camera roll there. Click copy here. And now it copies the file over. And now the file will be inside our camera roll, and we can work with it with other apps. Copy's complete, click OK. And now let's launch Adobe Spark video. We're just going to click to add. Now there's different templates, but we're just going to start from scratch here. Click in the little plus in the middle. We can see our camera roll, and we're going to grab our video clip. So we can actually just play it. We can move it around. Notice the in and out points. If we feel it's too long, we can just shorten it just by dragging with our finger. And when we're happy with it, it's just going to save that clip. And now we can add text. Click in the middle there, and we'll see we can add text and icons, but we're just going to type in text here. And if we want to move things around as far as the clip, we can actually just pinch or expand our fingers to zoom in or out, and we can also just push and drag with our finger to reposition the video. We can also restyle it. Here's the different themes. Let's go with this theme. And if we want to move the text, just drag it with your finger. Alright, it looks good. Let's create another frame. Notice we've got one before that for a little bit of a clip, and we're going to add a credit roll. All we need to do is just type our name in here. The credit screen, by the way, is already part of the template. And we're just going to play it. Let's have a look. Okay, looks like that's working pretty well. Just kind of testing it there. Let's add some music. Click on the music, and we can go down, scroll. Here's all the music that comes with it. Or we can also use music off our phone if we want. Let's just grab a nice sound here. We're just going to test it. Okay, that's working. Let's go into preview. And when we're happy with it, we can save it to the camera roll, or we can upload it to share it with social media. And I was able to do all of this without having to take a computer to the beach. Alright guys, you see how easy that was? Now I'm going to head back to the studio because I've got 2 more videos I want to make. I'm going to show you how to take the full video and pull individual shots off it inside of Premiere Pro. And then I'm also going to show you how to take all those different shots and make the color match in just a couple of clicks, so everything looks identical and uniform.